The low bar back squat places the bar lower on the back, which allows a different shape of squat that emphasizes the hips and back and generally allows more weight to be lifted than the high bar squat. To perform a low bar back squat, grab the bar with hands as narrow as is comfortable. Place the bar on your back and then slide it down your shoulder blades until it gets stuck on the shelf created by your musculature and scapula. Take a deep belly breath and stand the bar up before taking a few steps back. Your stance will be about shoulder width and toes pointed out 15 to 25 degrees. Begin the squat by sitting your hips back and down until your hip crease is below knee level. The low bar squat will have your back feel more horizontal in the bottom position compared to the high bar squat. On the ascent, raise your hips and shoulders at the same time and squeeze your glutes hard until back at the starting position. Take a new deep belly breath and repeat until your set is complete.